everyone, we are at NALMS in South Lake Tahoe. Great crowd, and wanted to take you on a quick tour of the Aquatic Sensors booth. And with us this week is Andrew Monk with ioLight. Hello, Andrew.
Hi, Patrick.
What do you have to show for us?
We have this folding microscope, and this is so small it can fit in your pocket, and this will detect harmful algal blooms in any lake or river. And
Excellent.
it'll allow you to do that in a couple of minutes, really quickly, really accurately.
Excellent. And I also noticed you also have a cell imager as well, is that right?
We do. This is more of a laboratory product, gives you more space to work and gives you a slightly flatter image, but the trade-off is for portability.
Excellent. All right, thanks, Andrew.
Thank you.
And also with us is Dr. Bill Arnold with OceanSpace. Bill, how's it going?
It's going great, Patrick.
Excellent. What do you have with us?
We're showing off our flow-through optical imaging system at the meeting this week. It's a relatively high volume, up to 6 gallons per minute, uses line scan technology rather than frame grabbing, and it packages zooplankton images like 1 to 50 millimeters, más o menos, for analysis and management purposes.
Excellent. All right, thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
All right, everyone, over and out.